Okay, so the first circuit that we're going to work on and kind of analyze is a simple series circuit. This is a schematic for a battery. This is a DC voltage. We're going to apply 5 volts to this circuit. We have 3 resistors. R1 is 500, R2 is 650, and R3 is 1K, which is 1,000 ohms. Okay, the first thing we need to do is get E total. E total in this circuit is 5 volts. In other words, the battery. How much is applied? What's the applied voltage is 5 volts. E total is 5 volts. R total. To get a resistor total in a series circuit, you simply add it up. 1,000 plus 650 ohms plus 500 ohms is 2.15 K ohms. E total divided by R total gives us I total, which is the current. What's constant in a series circuit is the current, which is the movement, the flow. The current comes out the positive, it goes around the circuit, back into the negative sign. It just keeps going around. Current is constant because there's no other path for it to flow to. So when you take 5 volts divided by 2.15 K ohms, in the calculator you actually get 0.00235, whatever that number is. That's in amps. Do I want that number? Absolutely not. This must be put in milliamps. Milli, if you remember, is exponent -3. So we take this decimal point and we move it over 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. So the number becomes 2.32, but if this third number is 5 or above, you move this up. So that's why our current is 2.33 milliamps. Remember the Ohm's law that I gave you, E, I, R. So now we have the voltage, and now we have the current, and now we have the resistance. We want to get the voltage drops for these 3 resistors. We have I, which is 2.33 milliamps, and we know the resistor values here. So I times R gives you E, which is the voltage drops here. This one is 2.33 volts. And if you notice, I already have it written down. But the way I got these was I times R gives me that voltage for R1. I times R gives me the voltage for R2. I times R gives me the voltage to R3. In a series circuit, all the voltage drops, which are these, must add up to the applied voltage of the battery. If I have 5 volts applied to it, 5 volts must be dissipated through the 3 resistors. See you on the next one.